Stop what you're doing and come bake a marble cake with me because I have the best recipe. This is marble cake with an orange twist and I'm sure you will love it. It will only take 10 minutes and it will be delicious. Okay guys, so let's start with the eggs. Just flat them up a bit, like you do normally. Orange zest. It already smells amazing. The oven is preheated at 180. Now, sugar. Mix very well so you can feel the sugar between your fingers. Butter. Mix well. As usual, the recipe will be in the captions or the first comment. I know this is a bit unorthodox with the orange juice, but it will taste amazing. Just my twist. Orange juice. I only did about half an orange juice. Half an orange? The juice from half an orange. Milk. Vanilla. Baking soda. I've used salted butter, so I'm not going to put any salt in the mix. But if you've used regular butter, you can add a pinch of salt. Flour. And mix. And we are nearly there. Brilliant. Now we pour nearly all of them, about 70% of the mixture into the baking tray. It smells amazing. That orange is really coming through. Now for the rest of the mixture, we add some unsweetened cocoa powder. About 1 tablespoon. Now we bring back the tray and we pour the cocoa mixture into the dough. I'm taking a knife and just forming a marble effect. Just don't overmix. And for the final part, just some chocolate. It doesn't matter if they stay on or not. They are going to slowly fall to the bottom. And we are done. I'm going to bake this for about 45 minutes and I'll be back to show you the results. guys, we're back. The cake is out of the oven. Look at that. The house smells amazing, as always. Now I'm gonna put some icing sugar on top. Brilliant. And taste test. Can't wait to try it. The top is crispy and it smells wonderful. The orange really pulls through. It gives it a nice twist, and the chocolate is decadent, it's nice. I really hope you tried this recipe because this is one of my favorite marble cakes ever. And I'll see you on the next video. Happy baking!